Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete your watch history on Facebook. So let's begin the video. Open Facebook and click on the menu bar. After that, tap on the gear icon to open the settings option. Here scroll down until you found activity log. Under your information section, click on activity log. Now scroll along the second cursor of options until you can see videos watched. If you are struggling to find this option, you can use the search tool in the top right. Now click on video watched, and then all you need to do is go and click on clear video watch history. Just confirm your decision by clicking clear, and that's it. It will start clearing your video watch history. If it's long, it may take some time to clear. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comment below, and I will catch you on the next one. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.